I bet you didn't know this. Male seahorses are the ones who give birth. Yep, you heard that right. In the magical world of seahorses, it's the males who carry the babies. The female seahorse transfers her eggs into the male's specialized pouch. Then the male takes over, nurturing the eggs until they're ready to hatch. When it's time, he goes into labor and releases tiny, baby seahorses into the ocean. It's like a real-life fairy tale. Seahorses are the only animals where the male does the baby carrying and birthing. Talk about a unique twist on parenthood. Next time you see a seahorse, remember, you're looking at one of nature's coolest dads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.